Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp not working on Wi-Fi. So to fix that, it's really simple. You have first of all to go to settings, and after that go to cellular, and after that you will find like this applications, the application on your phone. Click on show all if you don't see WhatsApp, and after that click on WhatsApp. And as you can see, there is three options here. You have always to check the third option, WLAN and cellular data, because if you check the second one, that means the WhatsApp will work only on Wi-Fi. And if you check the first one, even by mistake, that means WhatsApp will not work or will not use internet on your device, and it will be disconnected from internet. So in general, this is the problem, and this is how to solve it. To choose, if you want to work only with Wi-Fi, choose the second one, and for Wi-Fi and cellular data, choose the third option. And of course you have always, because sometimes there is some errors in the application, so you have to check that there is no update needed for the application. So go and look for WhatsApp. And as you can see, for example, here I need to update the app. So sometimes after updating the app and restarting your phone, everything will start working normally. And the last choice or the last option is to delete the app and install it again. And to delete the app, you have just to go and long press on it, click on remove, delete it and install it again. But of course you have to be sure that you did a backup for your messages to not lose them. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.